with the tug with my little guy.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is I just want him to bring it back, let me play with it, and then, you know, take it off and then bring it back, let me play with it, and, you know, just create the coming back
Yeah.
to me and having fun.
Yeah, yeah. So how are you going to do that?
Well, do you want to see?
Yeah. I mean, I
was
didn't know if you were asking me or what you're trying to do or
That is-
if you've got it.
I haven't got it yet.
Okay.
I brought it out and he went nuts over it, you know. But then I was like, I'm thinking, he kind of caught me in a panic.
Step up a little bit.
Okay.
Little more. Here, I'm going to let her come see you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want me to ignore?
I don't care. Okay. She was dying to get there. Now that you're here, she's done care.
She go, oh my God, he's too close.
I don't think she cares either way. Step up to her. Yeah, just step up to her. Yeah, you're not in the camera though. That's all right.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I didn't even know that was there. I hate talking when I'm...
I do too. I hate my voice, but in fact, why don't you hold her leash for just a second? Take a couple steps up, Jeff, and I'm gonna disappear for a minute, okay?
Good
And the
idea.
camera's rolling, so you see her and you right there, right?
She fell. As well. Going crazy.
Was she looking for me?
No, she's so happy that I'm here that, you know, she smells hot dogs all over me.
You can give her one if you want.
Yes. Damn it, girl. Damn it, girl. These guys, you know what's so funny is they learn how to take your stuff away.
Yes, they do.
They know how to just get you wet enough where you can't hold on it.
She goes, ooh, hot dog. That's not much of that.
Do you say sit?
I say auntie,
Oh,
but
Aussie.
I come up like this. Look, look.
Aussie. Yes. Aussie. Yes.
That's got to be quick. So put it to her nose and then
Aussie.
up fast.
Yes. Aussie.
Better.
Yes.
Nice.
Actually, I do the same thing, but I start out there.
All right, let's get your
Okay.
Your
Let me
fella.
get